But dude, this one, and look at this color. Like, I love what they did here. And this right here. Bro, this right here. I feel like a baddie. Do I look like a baddie? Because I feel like it.
Everything I do hits the roof. My city's on the move. Fuck a two, no cap, I'm Audi. Everything I feel.
Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. Now for this video, I wanted to try one of these newer units from Outre. This is the Color Bomb collection in the style LEVANA, and I got her in the Sunfire Night color, DRSD, yeah, Sunfire Night. It is a 22-inch right part wig, and I thought she was really cute. I haven't had a Color Bomb by Outre, so I wanted to be a little fun with this unit. So you guys, this is what the unit is looking like in this color. It has like this coppery orange, I guess Sunfire Night color on this side, and then like a little streak on the other side, and then it has the beautiful curls. Like, I don't know what type of curls these are called, but they are so cute. And then it is the right part. You can't really part it anywhere else. It's about 5 inches, I believe. It is a big part. The two combs in the front by the ear, the comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps. It is ear-to-ear lace, and it's supposed to be, is it HD? Yep, HD transparent lace. So it is pretty white, like, or transparent, I guess. But I guess I am transparent. So it does match my skin color. I am translucent. I've always thought that I was translucent. Like, you guys can see my veins. I got made fun of in high school for that, or like in school, my school years. They'll be like, oh, what's that popping out your head? Bro, it's some damn veins. You never seen those before? If you guys are interested to see how she looks for me and how I style her, go ahead and continue to watch. I will leave the chapters down in the description box. If you guys want to just fast forward to my final thoughts, final looks, then go ahead. I'll have the chapter also for me styling her. If that's all you're interested in, go ahead and pick your favorite part. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. It really does help me grow here. Thank you so much for your love, you guys.
Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Devo. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, had to go right back to it, If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, Hey, don't slip on the trip. No. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trip. Yeah.
No, yeah. Cuando dice que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boba, ya sé que me engañas. Estás loca loco llamándome. Rompió el cel para no contestarte. Mientras hay otra en tu cama, nunca pude imaginarme que era así estar con vos. Merecí la lección, ahora ya no quiero. Pues que todo cuero y nada de te amo forever. Con tu inglés malo, dejarte ti pa' mi sería un regalo. Ya, no tendré nadie como tú. Baby, esa es la actitud. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, quedar con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engaña. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, quedar con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engaña. Solo vaina mía, fue lindo hasta que me lo creía. Es que tú bla bla contamina. Dice que estás en otro lado y estás en Carolina con ella, ahí viendo Netflix. Las heridas ya no tienen fix, pero ve con ella, que te haga feliz. Y después no vengas a decir que te amo forever. Con tu inglés malo, dejarte a ti pa' mí sería un regalo. Ya, no tendré nadie como tú. Baby, esa es la actitud. Cuando dices que me quieres, no sé, quedar con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engaña. Yo sé que me quieres, no sé, quedar con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. Tú sabes que lo tuyo daña. Cupido malgató su flecha, yeah. No duermo ni en la madrugada.
Okay, so you guys, this is my final look for LEVANA. I don't even know if I mentioned her name at the beginning, but I'm mentioning it now. So this is in the style LEVANA, and again it's the color DRSD Sunfire Night. And you guys, at first when I saw her and I put her on, because you know when we get the wigs we have to try them on just to roughly imagine what she's gonna look like. And yeah, it wasn't giving me like good super happy vibes, but that changed, baby. Look at this. The baby hairs definitely help. I feel like anything with baby hairs is super duper. Anything with some swoops in it and it's done, baby. You don't need nothing. I did go ahead and cut here. She is like a really light yucky texture, almost silky. It doesn't tangle too much on me. I think she is big head friendly. Of course, I don't feel this tight at all. She does feel very comfortable to wear. Oh my god. Now I don't know which one's my favorite. This one or that the other one I did the other day. What was it called? Mia Bella. Mia Bella is really cute. But dude, this one, and look at this color. Like I love what they did here. And this right here, bro, this right here, I feel like a baddie. Do I look like a baddie? Because I feel like it don't matter what you think. So yeah, you guys, I will leave the price from here in the screen. She is again 22 inches. This is some of the colors. And yeah, so the baby hair is included. I thought I was gonna need to pluck, but I feel like sometimes all you have to do is like take the baby hairs out of the hairline to make the hairline look more cute. So that works for me. Sometimes I'm like, ooh, this is like a harsh like hairline, but once you take the baby hairs out, like push them out towards your face, it gives the hairline a better illusion. And I always add a little bit of foundation here to try to blend the lace in with my hair, with my skin, and of course put some foundation here, and that is it. I did try to add a little bit of heat to try to like make this go down as much, and I love it that my ear doesn't pop up because it's not a lot of hair. It looks really flawless, because sometimes when it's a lot of hair and you try to do the behind the ear thing, like my ear sticks out like this and I feel like I look like an elf. But that is not happening here. This is very cute. I did want to try that ivory, but I was scared it was like too washed. Like it's like super white. That one that the model has. But you know what? It might look cute. Like you never know. Those scary colors sometimes be it. She isn't shedding a lot. I did cut some lace with hairs over here, so I don't know if it's shedding from that, but I don't feel like it is. How the unit comes, I feel like it's because I messed up the lace. She tingles, I think normal for a synthetic. She tingles not too much, nothing that I would be crazy about. If anything, she tingles a little bit less than any of the other longer synthetics that I've dealt with. But yeah, you guys, this is definitely a cute unit for the summer, for spring, for whatever you need. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Again, you can shop for her at divatress.com. I will leave the link to where I got her from in the description box. They have very fast shipping, so that is a plus. It's worth it to shop from them, you guys. Oh, I feel so cute. So yeah, you guys, I recommend this wig. It's comfortable, it's cute as F. The color is popping. Not a lot of shedding, not a lot of tingling. Ooh, baby, I'm ready. Estoy lista para todo. Okay. But yeah, I definitely think everybody should go get this wig. Go get her, sis. Go get her. All the other colors look bomb. This is bomb as F. Like, I can't believe how good she turned out for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. Thank you so much for your love. You guys are awesome. It's been a pleasure. Bye.